crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for dropping in for just a few minutes to give me an opportunity to talk a little bit about the month of love, the week of love, however you want to look at it. But right, we know February is Valentine's Day, and regardless of what your thoughts are around relationships, love, corniness, all that stuff that says at the end of the day, um, this is a candy holiday made up by manufacturers, whatever. It doesn't matter. I truly believe love will find a way. I think you, at some point, will always find your destiny. And maybe that seems a little uh, high and pie in the sky. I'm not sure, but it's just what I believe. It's what I feel. I also just wanted to say, hey guys, thank you. We just hit 5,000 plus subscribers. That means the world to me and my partner. It just says we're doing a lot of things right. We still have so much to learn and so much to look forward to. But when we think about how much we talk about you guys being our family, that YouTube means so much, it only made sense to us that we reach out today and say, hey, we love you guys. We appreciate each and every one of you. And just thanks for tuning in and listening to me on Sundays and other times, just rattle on. And also, as part of our family, think about who you are and doing something special for you, right? You may be in a relationship, you may be married, you may be choosing to be single at the moment. There's all types of choices that we make, and we make them moment by moment, and we make them for ourselves. And you need to do what's right for you. And at the end of the day, I appreciate each and every one of you. We appreciate the fact that you share some of your time with us, your skills, your talents, and all of those things. And you need to love yourself where you are. I wouldn't have the relationship I have today if I just sat back and didn't think about how important I am. I had to do a lot of self reflection to get where I am today, to say, I am important, I am a special person, and just love myself so that I could be able to turn out and do that with someone else. Some of you may choose to be single, and that's amazing too. I don't know why we always think everyone has to be coupled up, or we may just find that we get our energy in that by other ways. And I get so much energy, guys, from you all, and just the fact that you tune in and let me have time with you all to talk about what's going on and what our world looks like. So, didn't mean this to be a long and complicated time together. I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for getting us over that 5,000 mark. It means a lot. And just appreciate who you are, what your journey in life is going through today, and who knows what tomorrow will bring. But we always look for the positive, because Lord knows you can turn on the news, turn anything else you want on. There's a lot of negative in our world, and that's what I appreciate. Appreciate. Wow, that's what I appreciate about each of you and about this channel and about the opportunities that you all provide. We bring the positive. We can forget the negative for a while, because there's enough other in our lives going on that we need to focus and rejuvenate ourselves. So, with that said, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you, 5,000 plus of you. Yes. Thanks for tuning in, giving me a few minutes of time today to just talk about those things. I hope you have an amazing rest of your week. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.